for having a forehead, so we identify her with that forehead as a sign.
7 staff of Lira Regional Referral Hospital has so far received training on sign language. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel. The 7 medical staff of Lira Regional Referral Hospital were awarded the certificate of completion after being trained for 3 months on sign language. The training was meant to bridge the communication gap between the medical staff and the patients who are deaf and dumb. The sign language instructor, Okoda Bonny, urged more staff to take interest in learning sign language.
I'm so grateful for giving these people here the opportunity to learn sign language, to help mostly the people who are deaf, who come to the hospital, who are sick. It is true that people toss them when they come to the hospital. Communication is a challenge. The course as per today. So one person has gone home for leave. He has gone home for leave. He lives in Sorotis. That's where he's resting. So I have only 5 here. These people learn sign language and pass very well. Passion for excellence. Many deaf people are outside there. Study finish, come to the hospital. When they see people, they are happy. Home, when these people are signing, they are very happy. Sarah, what's in emergency unit? The deaf there are being served well. It's helping so much in treating what? The deaf people. So it's very happy about Sarah in emergency. Passion for excellence. Now, is requesting, if it is possible, these people are very few. There are very many departments you can see. Only this one can serve only 5 departments. How many departments are there in the hospital? Only 8. Okay. So I'm requesting you, please come and learn sign language to help the deaf. You will not miss the deaf coming to your department. Director, once again, I'm grateful and happy for the good heart you've shown. Passion for excellence. Thank you so much.
The director, Lira Regional Referral Hospital, who is also the chairperson of the Directors Forum, said the initiative is very paramount and he will ensure that it is enrolled in all the regional referral hospitals in the country.
Because I'm told Arua is training. But if they are training after us. So are we not the first? We are the first. Passion for excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, this is another milestone for the Regional Referral Hospital in extending patient care to all categories of people. That we have now 7 staff who have been trained in sign language. I think this is really wonderful news. Passion for excellence. Thank you so much. And I believe this should be the way forward for the rest of the country to bring equitable services to our people so that everybody benefits. And I think the community of the deaf and the dumb must be excited about this development. I believe as the chair of the Directors Forum, we are going to escalate this into the whole country. And I hope the lecturer will be able to be further so that we train these people in all the hospitals of Uganda. Congratulations, Lira Regional Referral Hospital. I now have the honor to present the certificates to the people who successfully completed this course. The first one to receive is Nanjala Wandago Sara. Has successfully attended and completed a 3 months, that is 12-week short course in Ugandan Sign Language from December 2023 to March 2024. And the following modules were covered, which she was able to earn 18 credits. 1, Ugandan Sign Language Theories. 2, Deaf Culture and History. 3, Deaf Awareness and Sign Language Interpretation. Receptive Skills in Ugandan Sign Language. Expressive Skills in Ugandan Sign Language. Finger spelling. The total contact hours were 18. Congratulations, sir. The next is...
This is Lao News Channel. I am Denish Ongora in Lira City.